Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A1X and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recent, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then just tap on the button with, I believe, a square icon or 3 bars icon, but more likely a square icon. And then the recents will appear. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger on the screen, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that that here we've got all previously opened apps. And if you want, you can close, for example, one of them or one of it or 2 of them. Just find them and swipe them up, just like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on close all. And as you can see, we've got the information how much space we've got freed. So of course we can enter the recents again to check, or we even cannot enter the recents if we do not have opened apps. Alright, and here we've got no recent tasks, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Oppo A1X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.